beneath the ocean's surface? What secrets the deep sea holds? Among the... Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the ocean's surface? What secrets the deep sea holds? Among the... A mother anguineus carrying her young not for a few months, not for a couple of years, but for an astounding 4 years. Yes, you heard that right. The frilled shark holds the record for the longest gestation period of any creature on Earth. During this seemingly endless wait, the baby anguineus grows and matures at a slow pace, perfectly suited to their deep sea environment. It's almost as if they're attending their own underwater baby shower, patiently awaiting their grand entrance into the world. Once born, these little ones are already well equipped for their life beneath the sea. Their long, sinuous bodies covered in glimmering scales allow them to move through the water with an elegance and speed that is truly mesmerizing. But the anguineus is more than just a swift swimmer. This creature is a master of survival, perfectly adapted to its deep sea home. Its unique physical traits and incredible abilities make it an unparalleled predator in its dark and mysterious world. The anguineus, this enigmatic mammal of the deep, is truly a marvel of the underwater kingdom. Although we have only scratched the surface of understanding this creature, its remarkable survival adaptations and extraordinary life cycle make it a subject of awe and admiration. So, next time you gaze out across the ocean, remember the anguineus. Remember the fascinating life it leads beneath the surface. And remember, the ocean's depths are full of secrets, just waiting to be discovered.